Put on a mask because they won't know who you are. I mean, he did all the hard work. We are here to inaugurate him. Thank you. Great. Thank you so much.
The know-how of this is the AC system for all the electrical medical equipment. This is the DC system for lighting and fan.
Oh, Pak Tok sini turkot saya tak memerin ya.
Zaman udah iban di shipping strategy iban play kenika Inaugurated kenika solo panel hangliha Umsaw Nongkharai di kenika solo panel la dia ada kenika Self Foundation kapal atai kat ke NHM di long Ri Bhoi ila le shugli haki sub centers di kadi ko sub centers Umsaw Nongkharai kadi ko wei kapa ila ada le mentang asisnem di lingba kadi ke jing ai jong kadi ke selfu foundation ye kadi ke sola nama ba kreatif kum Ri Bhoi joni di kejutut kadi kalai di menta bakat kadi ke sub center kelas ke health wellness center i happy day kini ki reporting ki kepada ki online tiga dan ru sakani ka daily consultation di lada ngimdan ka light electricity di sim jik kini ki dok trai hangi makin le di kala arab subuan namar ba inong haru kila ai khabe buon hi ke banwan khang ni di paka di hadu menta nadu pas dang ban pen khana do district organize ba September 2020 la don hadu nyu ko argot kila pen khapun hani tidak ka jingdon jari ka solar hangi energy buat kala besuk iki kan buat aku buat beli light ru langsung pan pen kha ban ai di umdi tang kata ru kala don sakui ka tampak kebebu vaksin kan kebaki ILR ni kebebu ki vaksin tadi ru kelaran dengan ni ka solar di kini laptop kini ban charge ki mobile ki ban charge ki laptop ki ru la run bit dengan ka solar kan di nga sugar part ki no snong bakin ya bakin kam ya one nang ya one shu shakmat ban ya ting Henry ai bagi dia wan deliver yiki kedua kha yi lung hani nampak ki nurse ki doktor ini ki pala dep ki training ki dep ki kuli ki dep nang ta shu ban kam peti shu ban kha nang bang ka jingyap ki long ki ba armet ban ki lung ki padang suka kan penduna di mentaru kadika World Health Day or planet or health ko bagi hab ban kadi ke perthei jungi ka bagi le manta kadi
Tell me, sir.
So this substance we visited almost 1.5 years. Of course, during COVID also we came.
Yeah.
So DC was mentioning there is still power issues here. There was better performing centers on the highway.
Right.
So we wanted to put this solar panels. It's on the right on the top. And so we also prioritize this one. This is Mr. Roshan from Sangma Foundation, sir.
Okay.
So they come from Bangalore. Okay.
Everyone, and our respected Honorable MLA, Shri Jason Maulong, our respected Director for NHM, our officials from the Selco Foundation, all the other officials from the Health Department, and all my dear Asha workers and all my dear friends who are gathered here today. Today happens to be the 7th of April, which is also the World Health Day. So on this day, I would like to take this opportunity to wish each and every one of you on this very, very important occasion. And it is also very appropriate that today we are here in the sub-center, and we have been able to provide solar panels and solar powered energy efficient equipments to run different services in this particular sub-center. And I must take this opportunity to congratulate the health department, the NHM, the local MLA, and also thank the Selco Foundation for having installed these kind of solar systems in more than 100 sub-centers throughout the state, and they intend to increase it and cover more than 350 sub-centers in a very, very short time. The most important aspect of these kind of solar powered system is that they help in providing the basic services at the grassroots level, and where most of the sub centers face a large challenge in terms of stable infrastructure and also stable power supply. These kind of units and these kind of systems allow these services to be provided to the people at the grassroots level. We were just shown that there were solar powered energy efficient vaccine storage systems out here, which are highly efficient. We also saw different kind of other equipments that are run on solar, and therefore once again I would like to congratulate the NHM and also congratulate and thank the Selco Foundation, which has been instrumental in doing this. And I wish the sub center the very best, and I urge the officials and all the staff that will be running this sub center to please use the equipments and maintain them so that we're able to provide proper service to the people of the state. Apart from that, on this day, I'm also very happy to inform you that as a government, we are very, very focused on the health sector. And in the past 2 years, during the COVID situation, we faced a lot of challenges. But with those challenges, we also saw it as an opportunity to build up the health services and the health infrastructure, which is what we have done. And a large amount of money has been spent on improving the infrastructure in the rural areas. And I can assure the people of the state that in the coming years also, that we will be spending large amount of money, especially in the rural health sector, to more importantly increase the infrastructure, improve the infrastructure, and provide better health services at the grassroots level. I also would like to inform that our ASHA workers who have been working very, very diligently in the past, a large number of incentives which were due for many, many years, 6 years, 7 years, had not been cleared for them. And I'm happy to announce, and all of you know, that most of those incentives have been cleared for the ASHAs, including the ones that have been pending for the past 7 years, 8 years also. And we want to assure our staffs and all our manpower in the health sector that we will do our best to ensure that your interests are also taken care of, even with all the challenges that we face. So with these few words, once again, I wish the Selco Foundation, I thank them for all the hard work, and I wish each and every one of you once again the very best on this World Health Day. Thank you very much. Kublai, Mathela, and Jai Hind.